Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Krishneel and I will be teaching you Spanish. The first lesson would be alphabets. So let's get started with our first video. A in Spanish is A. A as in abuela. Abuela means grandmother. Abuela. B in Spanish is B as in bailar. Bailar means to dance. C in Spanish is se, but we pronounce it as k, as in cantar. Cantar means to sing. D in Spanish is de, as in dedo. Dedo means finger. E in Spanish is a, as in elefante. Elefante means elephant. F in Spanish is fa. We pronounce it as flower. Flower means flower. G in Spanish is K, but we pronounce it as G, as in gato. Gato means cat. H in Spanish is silent, so we pronounce the word as helado. Helado means ice cream. I in Spanish is E, as in iglesia. Iglesia means church. J in Spanish is kota. We read it as K, as in cafe. Cafe means boss. Cafe. Cafe. K in Spanish is ka. We read it as ka, as in kiwi. Kiwi in Spanish is kiwi. L in Spanish is la. We read it as la, as in libro. Libro means book. M in Spanish is ma. We read it as ma, as in madre. Madre means mother. Madre. N in Spanish is na. We read it as na, as in noche. Noche means night. O in Spanish is O, as in oso. Oso means bear. P in Spanish is pe. We read it as pa, as in padre. Padre means father. Padre. Q in Spanish is cu. We read it as ka, as in queso. Queso means cheese. Queso. QUE in Spanish is K. So K plus so is equal to queso. Queso. R in Spanish is array. We read it as R, as in rana. Rana means frog. S in Spanish is essay. We read it as S, as in soul. Soul means sun. Soul. T in Spanish is te. We read it as ta, as in tarta. Tarta means cake. Tarta. U in Spanish is u, as in uvas. Uvas means grapes. Uvas. V in Spanish is uve. We read it as v, as in vaca. Vaca means cow. W in Spanish is doble uve. We read it as v, as in whiskey. Whiskey in Spanish is whiskey. X in Spanish is X. We read it as s, as in xilófono. Xilófono means xylophone. Y in Spanish is Y. We read it as ya, as in yoga. Yoga in Spanish is yoga. Z in Spanish is zeta. We read it as z, as in zapato. Zapato means shoe. Zapato. Let's revise and learn the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, K, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Three additional alphabets are A. L is silent. N, R. Double L in Spanish is L. We read it as llueve. Llueve. Llueve means rain. This is Nya. We read it as Enya, as in niña. Niña means girl. Double R in Spanish is R, as in perro. Perro means dog. I will be uploading more videos soon. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked it.